In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to find your Hostinger server error logs. If your website is crashing, throwing 500 errors, or behaving unexpectedly, you need to know how to diagnose the issue quickly. Instead of guessing, these error logs provide the precise information you need to troubleshoot effectively. If this video helps you fix your site, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let's dive straight into the process. First, open your browser and navigate to the Hostinger login page. Once you have successfully logged into your account, you will be taken to your main hosting panel. From the sidebar menu, click on the Websites tab. You will see a list of all your hosted domains. Find the specific website you are currently having trouble with and click on the Dashboard button right next to it. Once the specific website dashboard loads, look for the File Manager icon. This is where all your website files live, including the critical error logs. Click to open the File Manager and it will redirect you to the file directory. Inside the File Manager, you will see a list of folders. Locate the public_HTML folder and double-click to open it. This folder is the root of your website. Now, within the public_HTML directory, scroll through the list of files until you find a file named error log. If it is not there, it usually means your server has not recorded any errors yet, or your error reporting settings need adjustment. But in most cases, this file will be right there. Right-click on the error log file and select View or Edit to open it. Inside, you will see a text log displaying various server messages, including the exact file or script causing the issue, which helps you pinpoint exactly what is breaking. Once you have copied the logs or identified the problem, be sure to close the file to maintain security. That is the quickest way to find your server logs on Hostinger, saving you from complex configurations. If this video helped you resolve your website issues today, please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful hosting tips and guides. Thank you for watching and good luck fixing your site.